Hi, welcome to Nikki's Veet. Are your slides for you or for them? I suspect 90%, maybe even 99% of PowerPoint slides are put together in order to help the presenter remember what they're going to say. And as I like to tell people, there's only one presenter, but there's at least 1, 2, or 200 people on the other side, the audience. And they're the most important people, for without them, no presentation. So you shouldn't really be putting slides together for you. If you can't remember what to say, get a new job outside of sales, because you really should have figured that one out. But the audience, they don't know what you're going to say, and they've come with some expectations. So design slide material to help them follow what you're saying, how you're saying it, or help them remember and recall the message you want to deliver or the point you want to clarify. Slides should all be about the audience. Oh, and by the way, they shouldn't make sense until you explain them, and then your role becomes narrator. And that's much more powerful than just putting up slides that switch people off. Don't design for you, design for them. Bye.